Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing cybersecurity, but not without consequences. By 2025, AI will automate many roles, putting some cybersecurity jobs at risk. Is your role safe? Let's explore which jobs AI will take over, the tools driving this change, and how you can stay ahead in this evolving industry. AI in cybersecurity. A quick overview. AI is already revolutionizing cybersecurity. Tools like automated threat detection, behavior analysis, and security monitoring can do what humans take hours to complete, only faster and more accurately. Platforms like Darktrace, CrowdStrike Falcon, and IBM Watson for cybersecurity are leading the way, automating tasks and using machine learning to predict and respond to cyber threats in real time. Cybersecurity jobs at risk with AI tools. Security analysts. Level 1 SOC analysts. AI tools like Splunk Enterprise Security, Microsoft Sentinel, and Darktrace now handle alert filtering, threat escalation, and anomaly detection faster than humans. Instead of manually analyzing thousands of alerts, AI prioritizes high-risk incidents in seconds. Vulnerability management specialists. AI-powered platforms such as Tenable.io, Qualys, and Rapid7 in SiteVim scan systems identify vulnerabilities and prioritize patching within minutes, tasks that previously took weeks. Penetration testers' basic tasks. Tools like Burp Suite AI, Core Impact, and Pentera automate scanning for weaknesses and simulating attacks. Platforms like Attackix simulate thousands of exploit scenarios across networks, providing quick, actionable reports. Incident response analysts. Platforms such as Palo Alto Cortex XOR, IBM Resilient, and Splunk SOAR automate detection, isolation, and recovery. AI tools instantly isolate infected devices, block threats, and restore systems, saving hours of manual work. Compliance monitoring staff. Tools like SecuriFrame, Drata, and Vanta continuously scan systems, identify gaps, and generate audit-ready reports for standards like GDPR and HIPAA, ensuring real-time compliance with minimal human effort. Why AI cannot replace everything? Before you panic, remember this: AI may automate tasks, but it can't replace critical cybersecurity skills that require human judgment, creativity, and strategic thinking. Roles safe from AI takeover. Cybersecurity architects. Designing secure systems and networks requires creativity and adaptability skills that AI can't replicate. Threat hunters. AI detects known threats, but humans can think outside the box, discovering hidden attacks AI tools may overlook. Cybersecurity leaders. CISOs and managers. Leadership, risk management, and understanding the business impact of cyber threats require human expertise. Red team specialists. While AI handles automated penetration tests, red team specialists simulate unpredictable and creative attack methods. New cybersecurity jobs AI will create. While AI replaces some roles, it also opens up opportunities for new positions that require a mix of cybersecurity and AI expertise. AI cybersecurity specialists. As organizations adopt AI-powered security tools, they need experts to configure, train, and manage these systems. Specialists ensure AI models work efficiently and adapt to new threats. Data analysts for cybersecurity AI. AI thrives on data, and cybersecurity AI tools require massive data sets to function effectively. Professionals will be needed to analyze, clean, and structure data for AI training and optimization. AI ethics and governance experts. As AI grows, concerns around biases, ethical use, and compliance arise. Specialists will focus on governing AI use in cybersecurity, ensuring fairness, transparency, and compliance with global regulations. AI security engineers. With AI systems themselves becoming targets for cyber attacks, new roles will focus on securing AI infrastructure from adversarial AI threats, ensuring these systems remain reliable and secure. How to future-proof your career. Upskill with AI knowledge. Understand and learn to use AI tools like Darktrace, Splunk, and Cortex XOR to enhance your cybersecurity capabilities. Focus on strategic roles. Develop skills in areas that require creativity and decision-making, such as threat hunting, security architecture, and leadership. Learn AI and machine learning. By mastering AI, you can become the person developing and managing these tools instead of being replaced by them. AI is reshaping cybersecurity, automating repetitive tasks, but also creating new opportunities. The future belongs to those who adapt, evolve, and embrace these changes. Thank you for watching. Stay secure and follow for more cybersecurity updates.